the Court of Appeals dismissed Mary's petition for certiorari. The Court of Appeals reasoned that while probate proceedings take precedence over intestate proceedings, the preterition of a compulsory heir in the direct line annuls the institution of heirs. Okay? It annuls the institution of heirs in the last will and testament. That is the effect of preterition of a compulsory heir, but not just any compulsory heir. A compulsory heir in the direct line, like this child, Joey. What is the effect if the institution of heirs is annulled? Okay? It opens the entire inheritance into intestate succession. So this supports the position where the new trial court judge is correct to allow the proceedings to proceed in intestacy. Thus, the continuation of the proceedings would be superfluous and impractical because inheritance will be adjudicated intestate. The point here is that if you continue with the probate proceedings and the last will and testament is void, intrinsically void due to preterition, then it will be a useless and costly exercise. It will be a fruitless litigation, a fruitless judicial proceeding. So there is no point to continue with the probate. It should be automatically declared as void and allowed to proceed in intestacy. The estate will be adjudicated intestate. The Court of Appeals concluded that the regional trial court did not act with grave abuse of discretion. Remember in the previous video, Mary alleged, by way of petition for certiorari, her remedy in questioning the decision of the regional trial court before the Court of Appeals, that there was grave abuse of discretion by the regional trial court in allowing the case to proceed in intestacy, despite the fact that there was a last will and testament. Okay. There may be a last will and testament, but it was void. Okay. As usual, Mary moved for reconsideration with the Court of Appeals, but eventually the motion was denied. Okay. So thus, there being no surprise to us, okay, the readers of this decision, Mary filed the present petition for review and certiorari to elevate this case before the Honorable Supreme Court. That is why we are now reading the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. So we will discuss the petition for review and certiorari before the Supreme Court in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.